This week, video prototyping in Figma got a lot better, so we're going to dive into that update in today's video. So here in my mockup, I'm just going to grab this image and actually swap it over to a video. I'll just grab one and it'll open that video up. So then I can go to the prototype tab. Of course, we have autoplay, we have the ability to loop, and we can disable the audio if we need. To start prototyping this, if I just grab this play icon and go to prototype, I'll just drag out a noodle to that video, which is called frame 1. So on click, we have the option to play or pause the video. We have mute or unmute. And now we have set to specific time. So we can actually set that video timestamp to exactly what we want. And then we also have the ability to skip back and forth with the jump forward and backward options. For now, I'm gonna go with play pause. And we also have the option to set this to a toggle. So if we want this to play and pause, or we can set it to play only or pause only. For now, I'm gonna leave mine on toggle. If I load up that flow, my video is going to start auto playing in the background. And if I hit this play icon, you'll see it pauses the video and then I can play the video. Pretty simple. Now we have the ability to go a step further with this. So I'm just going to delete this and I'm going to grab a component that has a click interaction that swaps the variant to a pause icon now. So you can see that it's going to change the property to pause and that's going to be instantly. So if I just grab an instance of that, and we'll drag that into my design. Now we can also drag a noodle to the video, and this will also be an on click, and it's going to be the same as the previous play button. You'll notice we have two click interactions, but they're actually going to work perfectly since one is a variant interaction change. With that interaction set up, I'm actually going to grab the video and turn auto play off. Now if I hit play, the video starts to play, and we have this pause icon here, and I can hit that. And it turns back to a play icon. And for one more quick example, I've swapped my audio icon to a skip button, and we'll prototype that just to show you we can do that. So I drag a noodle to the video, and we'll go to jump forward or backward in time. This one is a skip forward icon, so I'm gonna go forward, and let's go with 10 seconds. So I'm gonna play the video, and while the video is playing, I'm gonna skip forward. And every time I click that, it's gonna skip forward 10 seconds, as you'll see, and then I can just pause when I need to. So pretty cool, we can actually create a full-blown video player in Figma now with those capabilities. For the next new feature in the update, I'll just click on the video fill. You'll see we have a play button now, and we can actually watch the video here in the preview. And we can also drag through and scrub through the video to get a particular timestamp. You'll see that here on the side. And the reason this is really nice is because there is a new trigger for when the video hits a certain timestamp now. So if I go to prototype and I just add a new trigger, when I select the trigger dropdown, you'll see at the very bottom, we have when video hits and when video ends, allowing us to set an interaction on the video ending or hitting a certain timestamp. So I'll select that and I'll just paste in that timestamp, and then we can add any interaction we want to start when the video hits 25 seconds. For a nice example of this, I already have an interaction set up. So at 5 seconds, I have a variant of this video that this is going to change to, and I'll show you that real quick. It's just a nice overlay with a button that says replay the video. Then if you click on that, it's just going to swap back to the first instance with an auto play on. It's also resetting the video to its original time. So my video is auto playing for 5 seconds. When it hits that timestamp, the overlay slides up and I can hit replay the video and it will restart the video. Another new feature is we can place multiple videos at once. So if I just grab these icons here, and hit Command-Shift-K or Control-Shift-K, I can select multiple videos and open those up. And then if I click, it will allow me to just start placing these videos. So it gives me a preview of the video that I'm going to place and tells me how many I have. So I have 4. So I'm going to place this one here, and this allows me to populate mockups really easily with multiple videos. Also, if you were paying attention really closely, you'll see that these videos are quite large, and it lets me import them. So Figma has actually updated the cap on videos to 100 megabytes. I think it used to be 15, so a sizable change. So now we can pretty much import most videos without a problem unless it's super large. Also, the video formats currently supported are MP4, MOV, and WebM format. And Figma was super nice and created this video prototype playground. So I'll link this down in the description. It gives you all the details on everything you can do with videos and how to set them up and how you can use them in your interactions. Of course, I'll have more videos covering video prototyping in Figma coming soon. In the meantime, here's another Figma video I think you'll like. Don't forget to subscribe though, and as always, have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.